A woman had to knit 2000 pairs of socks every day. Because the family was very poor, she could only keep knitting socks to sell. To save cost, the woman tied the yarn to a ship. Her husband intended to open the cupboard for some food, but it was filled with socks. He wanted her to make some food, but the woman said she could do nothing but knit socks. As a result, even the family's dogs, cats and mice wore socks at this time. A magician skilled in various transformations arrived in the village. He stood outside the window and learned that the woman's wish was to have child, but it hadn't yet been fulfilled. The magician felt sympathy for her and decided to grant her wish. At night, the woman lay in bed unwilling to sleep because a thumb-sized child appeared in her arms. A child was crying from hunger, so the husband had to run to the cow shed and came back with a small spoonful of milk to feed the thumb-sized baby. Due to the child's small size, changing diapers was very difficult. Eventually, they had to put the baby into a funnel. However, that night, a hand suddenly reached into the room and grabbed the thumb baby. It was a cat that had been hungry for a week. Just as it was about to eat the baby, a crow swooped in and took the baby away. After flying all night, the baby's head broke and the baby fell down. Fortunately, the diaper served as a parachute. Unexpectedly, the baby landed in a shark's mouth, but the shark was then catched by a fisherman and sold to the king. As the king was about to eat the fish, he discovered the thumb baby. The king found it very interesting and decided to raise the baby properly. By the time the baby was 3 years old, he could capture dragons on his own. To reward him, the king promised him the princess. Soon he had his own descendants, and the woman who had lost her child decided to make another wish for a giant baby who would not be lost.